in the Carboniferous era. The whole world was full of carbon dioxide. Just to imagine, millions years ago, there was a tree. I am telling, it was a tree, 150 to 200 feet long. Just to imagine what a big tree it was. And slowly, slowly, down to the centuries, millions years after, this tree gradually becoming just a steam and sharp, just very peculiar. But still, its fighting spirit is there. Still it is surviving. Still it is surviving. So survival with lean, thin, emaciated condition. And just to observe that still the lower part of that plant, I don't think so you have that pharmacy, that if you look that plant, still it has its own trunk, and later part is little bit gradually it is become very lean, thin. But upper, lower part is still looks like solid one, as if it is a trunk. You have to go it. Number one, that plant, very difficult to germinate. Very difficult. Kitna difficult to germinate? If only 10 to 15% germination capacity. And again, even after germination, the secondary sexual character, it needs 18 to 20 years to develop. So how slow secondary characteristic is developing? That plant generally it develops that if you look, it's a spores. Outer part, it's so hard, it takes hours together to make it powder. But inner part is excessively soft, just like your jelly. I definitely you know that medicine is Lycopodium. Now, the secondary sexual character, the delayed development of the sexual characteristic, it is one of the keynote indication of our Lycopodium. डॉक्टर मेरा लड़की 18 years हो गया, 17 years हो गया, मेरा लड़का 15 से हो गया, अभी तक तो मुस्तक नहीं आता है, प्यूबिक हेयर नहीं आता है, एक्सिलरी हेयर नहीं आता है, ब्रेस्ट डेवलपमेंट नहीं आता है. So that may be one of the keynote indication physiologically or pathologically, because it is corroborating with the life pattern or the development of that plant. Now, again, that how the sexual characters or the secondary sexual character develops, that is also we can correlate without knowing, without going through, or we can verify very nicely from the knowledge of biochemistry. That the liver, how the liver metabolized everything, how many fatty acids it requires, what are the minerals it requires. If you know, just I am telling, in short, देखिए, remember this, that liver's entire metabolism is controlled, guided from the point of biochemistry with the 5 fatty acids. You know it? We should have 5 fatty acids. These 5 fatty acids are, I think repeatedly I told here also, just you write down MP sol. MP, M, where is the pink? Nothing is there. MPSOL. MP, member of the parliament. Is it? Or malarial parasite. Both are blood sucker. MP means blood sucker. Okay? देखिए, M is myristic acid, P is palmitic acid, and sol That is brain tumor, no? Sol, space occupied lesion. So linoleic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid. Okay? How nice. We are not going through Alan Bolick still now. Just now you verify. Okay. So among these, if you know that these are the 5 fatty acids, and among these 5 fatty acids, palmitic acid is directly controls the cholesterol metabolism. And cholesterol, it directly controls your gonads or the sex hormone. Okay? So now, when a patient has come to you that with secondary delayed development, male or female, simply you are asking whether that child had an infantile jaundice or repeated hepatitis or not. Okay? So most probably due to this hepatic disorder, this palmitic acid is unable to control or stimulate the cholesterol, and that faulty mechanism ultimately unable to give the stimulation to our gonads for no development of breast, no development of mustaq, no development of the sexual character. Understand, doctor, in this way. Because biochemical pathology has developed a lot. We have to introduce to convince the scientific society that yes, in micro doses we are stimulating in that fashion. Otherwise, we can't develop our science. Can't. So this is one portion. Now, if liver is involved, liver is damaged, then what will happen? There will be a problem in your protein metabolism, fat metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism. Okay? So, indigestion, flatulence, dyspepsia. And once this carbohydrate metabolism is lost, what will happen? BMR, there is a problem in the BMR, basal metabolic rate. And you know that BMR is least when in the evening. So all the lycopodium symptoms aggravated during evening, is it not? Mostly. Remember that glucose, these are sweet because glucose metabolism is hampering. Body is asking for more sugar because liver is not working properly. Then when it is protein portion, then what will happen? There will be more non-nitrogenous product, that is urea, creatinine will be more. So, rheumatism, uric acid diathesis, lithic acid diathesis, stone formation, and ultimately kidney is not working properly because overloading, red sanding urine, nothing but urates. That is the faulty assimilation of the protein. Think in that way, then only you will realize what Alan has told, that in case of lycopodium, liver, lungs are involved, initially lungs. I am not going into details because I can explain it. There is another portion. Now, take the ash portion, biochemistry. If we burnt that spore, apart from the jelly, outer portion, burn it, analyze it, and you will get more than 45 to 55% alumina. So just the dryness. So by the name of lycopodium, we are giving alumina. Then we are giving silicea. We are giving copper. We are giving magnesium. We are giving phosphorus. Analyze it. And so constipation, alumina, silicea. Pain comes suddenly, goes suddenly. Today I am sure that is magnesium. Cramps, copper, and phosphorus. Just you see, absence of phosphorus. So phosphorus. That if we go through the chromosome or the cellular development, role of phosphorus in the brain, immense you have to go through. We should go, I am not going into details. But another thing, when there is a lysis in the brain, that is your lungs, lacking of phosphorus, it produces delayed lysis. and this catalexis, delayed resolution of the pneumonia. And just you see, silicea, aluminium, magnesium, phosphorus, all are chilly. So Lycopodium must have to be chilly, though Miller and others have told it is a hot patient, whatever it is. But if you analyze scientifically, most probably it is more prone to chilliness. Silicea, absence or presence or irregular metabolism of the silicon, that is lacking, very much mild, sober, gentle, but lack of courage, one of the best symptoms of Lycopodium. Dictatorial, that is the projection.